Hello, good people of YouTube and the internet, of course. Because I know my videos do get uploaded other places, but nah. Anyway, long time, no update. And as you can see, not much has changed. Brake lines are all in. Cables are all zip tied up nice and neat. Got one zip tie I need to cut off and make nice and neat, but I can live with that for now. We had the floor down in here. That floor that we made, I had it down. But with it not being a corrugated floor like this stuff is, it flexes really bad. And I kind of knew that was going to happen, so I've got the floor just over there. Camera is panning too fast. Yes, I know. What we're doing is we are making some nice supports for this floor. So along this chassis rail here, we are going to put some 2 centimetre box section steel across there, which is somewhere. There's a panel out there, which you can just see in the light, and there's another one somewhere else. And right in the middle, we're going to be putting this piece of angle iron. Nice. And what we're going to do, we've got lots of this from when the fridge was a fridge, and this bolts to the wall that way, and it was enough to put your like a, I don't know, a bar in there to stop it from moving out, you know, to lock your load from shifting around. This is stainless steel, so it's quite nice. Also, it turns out that that 2 centimetre steel plus this will make a perfect thing to sit just about at this height, same as that lip there, and it'll make a nice thing with some nice holes in it, lot, and we can pot rivet through that. It should work really well. We're kind of looking forward to that. For now, I've got the welder all fired up and ready to go. I'm just going to tickle that. I'm just going to scrape some of the under seal away and weld this bar in, this angle iron. It's going to be welded straight in the middle here, in line with that hole. So that's pretty much bang on centre, that is. Weld that in. That'll make a nice support for the centre, so it's not going to bow in at all. We'll have the nice supports here, so that's not going to bow in. And here, it's going to be cupboards anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. Just pot riveting or nut and bolting. The edge of the angle of the aluminium will be fine going through this. And then it's going to have beads of tiger seal, silicon seal, tiger seal going around it just to help keep everything waterproof. Nice. It'll be very strong after we've done that. Really strong. And then on top of that, when the floor is in, it's going to have, what is it, OSB, into marine grade OSB.
Yeah, just to strengthen it up a bit.
Just to strengthen it up a bit.
Something to fix too.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Very good stuff. So that's going to be all nice and good. I'm sick of seeing this hole in this floor. It's about time we got rid of it. So that's what we're doing.
It's the thing that's been holding up this whole project, so
yeah,
I managed to actually get a bit of free time today and have a look at it.
And have a look. So, happy that all the suspension's good on this. We are missing one bolt from out of the anti-roll bar. If I zoom in, you can just about see it just there. But that doesn't matter too much, because we can get access to that from underneath and just put a new bolt through. In fact, we've got plenty of nuts down there, and I'm pretty sure we can find a bolt somewhere in one of the tubs. So we can just bang a bolt in it now if we want to.
These are his bolts.
Yeah, there you go. That's one of the lengths of steel. Look, it's just going to sit on that chassis rail like that. I'm going to weld it to the chassis. Just only probably 6 welds each side. Just, you know, about an inch long. It's not going to hold any side-to-side motion, just weight. So, and it's not even holding really that much weight. It's a camper van, isn't it? It's not like we're going to be putting anvils and stuff in the back or bags of sand.
And the OSB will spread the weight out pretty well.
Exactly, and easy to the middle. So, and don't forget that sheet of aluminium is also sitting on this as well. This lip and that lip. So it's not going anywhere, is it?
This is it.
It's going to be perfect. Did weld in some support for the corners, as you can see. This is a bit of angle iron here, just to hold the corners in, nice and easy. That's on all four, that one, and there's another one. Oh, there's not any on that side. Forget about that. But yes, should be more than adequate to hold the weight, any kind of weight. We did get all the bump stops in, as you can see, all nice and painted up. Look, they look like new bits of rubber, but they're not. They were just cleaned up quite nicely, and the bolts did snap off, as you can see here.
Yeah, they were captive.
Captive.
But there was this hole in the middle already, so
a nice stainless washer went through that with a nylock.
Yeah,
which is going to hold it in place. It's not going to go anywhere. Nice washes on it. That'll support anything, that will. It looks good as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these will stop it actually twisting because they stick through just enough.
Yeah, they'll stop
they
it from
can't spin anyway.
Spinning around. Cool stuff. Right, let's do some stuff, shall we?
Aye.
Alright, guys and girls. Alright, that should do. Got welds all down the sides. Both rails are done, which is nice. Wow. It's a bit cold, isn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty done there. For now, we're done. Take that off. Yeah, all of the water on the roof of the camera, on the roof of the van, is all frozen. It's that cold out here at the moment. All froze solid. Bit smoky in here too. Lens flare. Cool. Lens flare. Yes, so that's it for tonight. Not really done much. Just put these rails in. It should do it. And then on the floor, we're going to cut the floor in half. Going lengthways with the van. And hopefully that will do it. So stay tuned. We'll let the dogs there, eh? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace out.